2021, ladies, we want healthy, relaxed hair, okay? Healthy, relaxed hair 2021, okay? We don't want the broken, damaged looking, stiff looking, greasy looking, relaxed hair. We don't want that 2021. We do not want that. We want that healthy, long, luxurious, beautiful, bouncy. What's up? It's Sookie here, and I am back today with another video. So today's video is just gonna be how I grow my hair. So since the last time that I relaxed, from the first day that I relaxed my hair, there's been some things that I've been using that has really helped my hair grow. I think my hair grew like 3 or 4 inches from the last time that I relaxed it, which was 2 months ago. And I think that's a lot, okay? Like 3 or 4 inches for 2 months time span. I think it's a lot for me. So I'm just gonna tell you guys like what I used and how did I make that happen. Do not mind my Christmas mug. I haven't replaced it yet. I just fell in love with this during the holiday season, and now seems like I'm stuck with it. But if you guys want to know like what I used, I have all the secrets, and these tips will definitely help your hair grow. Okay, it's gonna help your hair grow. You just have to follow it, and you have to just show your hair like a lot of love and devotion and time. Okay, so if you want to find out my 5 top tips on how to grow your hair, your relaxed hair, just keep on watching, guys. So from my last video, I told you guys that I relaxed my hair on my own, and the first time that I got my relaxer was November 2020. So that was my first relaxer. So now I'm just gonna give you guys the tips of how I grew my hair, because my hair has been growing a lot, and I just want to share this news with you guys and let you know what I've been using and whatnot. Okay, so we're gonna start off first with, of course, shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner is just so important. I cannot stress how important it is, the ones that you use, because your hair is already chemically relaxed, right? It's chemically treated. It's not, 100% natural. It's not. So you have to make sure whatever product that you use that's for shampoo and conditioner, that it says it's gonna help your hair that's chemically treated or over processed. So this is what this Carol's Daughter sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner is. So it's the almond milk, and it is a daily damage repair. It's for extremely damaged and over processed hair. So it reverses damage, it strengthens and protects hair, which is good because when we're applying the relaxer, it does kind of break down our hair shafts. So it's good to have something to help build it back up. And it restores softness. Like relaxed hair, sometimes it can be like a little bit rough if you're using the wrong products. Like I remember a couple years ago, I was relaxed and my hair was so damaged and it was so rough and hard. I couldn't get a comb through it, and the ends were just like really disgusting, and it was just horrible. So that was like a really bad experience for me. So I ended up cutting all of it off and going natural. So that's what happened with my last relaxed journey. I just didn't do good at all. I wasn't consistent with keeping my hair good. Okay, so this has almond milk, aloe butter, and shea oil. That's what's in here. Okay, so this is what I used, and it's almost done actually. The conditioner is more done than the shampoo, as always, right? So that's what I use. So like I said, it's good to use something that says it's for over processed, damaged, chemically treated hair. All those things, that's what's really important. Okay, so next up, following that, is gonna be your deep conditioner. Like your deep conditioner is so important. I cannot stress it enough, you guys. It's so important to deep condition your hair. You can't just wash your hair and dry it and then straighten it and then just go through life. No, even with your natural hair, you have to deep condition it. With your relaxed hair, you do have to deep condition it. It's just not as much work, And you don't have to put a lot. Like in natural hair, I used to like slather, like for a deep conditioner, when I did my natural hair, I used like half of this bottle. I will use half of this, okay, for my natural hair because it was just so thick. But for relaxed hair, you don't have to use so much. Literally, you just get like probably a handful is gonna be good. So just put it on your scalp and make sure you do your ends. The ends are so important because that has been the longest part, has been nasty on your head. Treat it nice, love it, put it in there nicely, you know, and then just wrap it up and put it in a plastic cap and apply heat to it. Like, heat will really help penetrate deep conditioner. Okay, if you don't have the overhead heat thing that you sit under, just use a blow dryer and constantly rotate it around. But I would highly recommend getting the overhead heat one. I got mine from the thrift store. It was a used one that I found, and it was a really good brand, and I think I only paid like $10 for it, and that's what I have, that's what I use. But those things can be expensive, but I think Amazon have really good prices. They even have the little bag ones, actually. There's a bag one on Amazon, like you put your blow dryer through the little hole, like the long slinky kind of hole thing, and then you put the cap over your head, and you can just use it like that, and it's inexpensive. So you can do that. So not only do you deep treat your hair with this, but there's other things like rice water and aloe vera. I use aloe vera on my hair. I grow my own aloe vera. I actually grow my own aloe vera outside, so that's what I use. I cut it and I'll apply it to my roots, and I also put some on my ends, okay? Because yes, the ends are very important, but don't forget your roots, because that's where the new hair is growing, okay? But your ends are very, very important, okay? So basically, so that's the next step, was to make sure that your hair is deep conditioned and you apply that extra love and time and care and attention to it. Okay, so next up, following your deep treatments, is gonna be your hair supplements, your hair vitamins, hair supplements, whatever you want to call them. So I have 3 different kinds from 3 different brands that I all recommend. Actually, they're the same brand, but 3 different kinds that I recommend because they all work for me. And it's not only, these brands have not only worked for me during this journey, also with my natural hair, it helped to grow it also. So Biotin, I know everybody know about Biotin. Like, Biotin is so popular. So this is the hair, skin, and nail health. It's 60 tablets, and this is the 10,000 mcg. I also use the hair, skin, and nails, the gummies. Like, when I don't feel like drinking pills, I eat a gummy, and it hasn't been a problem for me to mix and match these. I mean, my skin doesn't break out. Nothing crazy ever happened. This hair keeps sticking out. Nothing crazy ever happened. I do mix and match these. So on days that I don't want to take my Biotin, I'll take a gummy instead. You know, it's quick and fast. And then the hair, skin, and nails, this is the pills. And these are actually bigger, and I don't like these. But these are argan oil infused. So all of these have different things. This is just a gummy version for when I don't want to, you know, put a pill in my mouth. So I take this. So everything has their purpose. This is the Biotin. It has the most, this one has the most biotin in it. So it's 10,000 mcg. And it has the keratin in it, right? The gummies one does not have keratin. It's just biotin, and it's 5,000 or it's 5,000 or 6,000. Okay, it's 6,000 micrograms of biotin, and this one's 10,000. Don't forget I said that. And then this one right here is different also, even though it's for your hair. This one is argan oil infused, and it's extra strength. So I also use this. I highly recommend using a supplement that helps your hair grow, because yes, your hair naturally grows by itself, but when it has a little extra push, you know, it just helps. And not only that, whatever new hair that's coming out of your hair is going to be stronger and just better to manage with the relaxer, because the relaxer is breaking down the walls of your hair, the shafts of your hair. So it's always good to just have a supplement, okay? Okay, so the next thing, my 4th tip, is a moisturizer, or oil, if you will. I have a moisturizer, but my moisturizer is not really that important because I don't really think it does any difference to my hair. To be honest with you, that's why I'm not even showing it. But having a good moisturizer or a hair lotion, I use a hair lotion from the same brand, Kimber of Nature, and that one works good. I mean, I don't really see any difference with it, so I can't say it's helped to grow my hair, to be honest with you, or to help my hair be strong and whatever. But this argan oil treatment, it helps repair dry, damaged hair, and it strengthens and prevents breakage. Oh my God, this stuff is life. I absolutely love this. I bought this on Amazon. So I originally had it in my relaxer box when I first relaxed my hair. The little ampoule, it had the little oil, and I was like, oh my God, Don't tell me that they don't have this like for sale. Like it only comes in the relaxer box. I was like freaking out, like, oh my god, I hope I can find it somewhere. I tried to do some research and I did find it, and I bought this from Amazon, and oh my god, I love this. It just makes your hair so soft and creamy and buttery. I recommend for you guys to buy this. Like, and I don't think it was expensive. I don't remember how much it was. But it's just so buttery and beautiful and makes my hair feel so soft. And I put it on my hair at nighttime before I wrap my hair, and I put it when I take down my hair, and just a little bit goes a long way, because you know relaxed hair is easy to get way down, so you don't put a lot, okay? And honestly, even if you accidentally put a lot on your hair, it's not gonna weigh it down and make it look greasy. That's what is even better for me. It does not weigh down relaxed hair, and it's hard to find an oil that doesn't weigh down relaxed hair, especially since it's straight. You don't want it to look greasy, oily. You know, you want it to have life and volume. You know, you want it to bounce, and you know, and you want it to come back down. You know what I'm saying? You don't want it to look stiff. You know, stiff relaxed hair is not cute. It is not cute. Okay. So that oil, I recommend for you guys to get that, okay? Get on it if you don't know about it yet, okay? Okay, so the last thing, you guys, which is the most important thing, I'd say, the most important thing, you guys, is silk. Silk, 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 okay? I know with natural hair, they tell you about the silk also to help preserve your curls and keep it moisturized. It's also important with your relaxed hair, okay? I have a silk, hair tie that I use. I don't normally put my hair in a ponytail, but when I do, I use silk hair tie. I have so much of them. They're not expensive at all, you guys. I also have to wrap my hair, you guys. Wrap your hair, okay? Even if you don't have the time to wrap your hair, at least tuck your ends in something and put on a silk scarf around it, because I'm telling you, that's gonna make a big difference in your hair. Like when I wake up after I wrap my hair is so beautiful. It flows, it glides, it looks good. And I know it could be a little bit annoying sometimes, because especially if you're married, you know, you live with your boyfriend or something, it might be a little bit, you know, not cute to wrap your hair at night. I'm gonna do a video on how I do that, because I do live with my fiance. We do live together, and he does not always want to see me with my hair wrapped, okay? Because I have beautiful hair. He loves my hair. He wants to see it. He wants to sleep and, you know, touch my hair. And, you know, he doesn't always want to see me with this thing on my head. But guess what, ladies? You still need it, okay? You still need it. So I'm going to do a separate video on, you know, how to go to sleep with your hair, you know, wrapped nicely or look good for your man, okay? I'll do another video for that. But yeah, I have my silk scarf. It is so used and abused. I feel bad for this scarf, but I use this scarf to wrap my hair every night. I'm not gonna say that I've never skipped a night wrapping my hair, because I have. When I first started this, I don't think I was wrapping my hair a lot at all whatsoever. Like, I wrap it when I first flat iron it, and then I'll just go to sleep, like after a couple days. I also have my shower cap. My shower cap is lined with silk, okay? My shower cap is lined with silk. So even that has silk. And I have a silk pillow. Let me grab it. Silk pillow. My silk pillow, okay? So I even have silk pillow sheets. So I use silk everything to preserve my hair, you guys. Silk is one of the most important things to help your hair grow. It doesn't break it when you sleep. And also there's different kind of qualities of silk, but we're not gonna get into that today, okay? Because I've tried some different silk pillows and they're not all the same quality. But anyway, all these things help to keep your hair moisturized, and just keeps your hair from breaking, because you want your hair to grow long. You don't want it to, you know, grow and stop and break off. You don't want that, you know what I'm saying? You don't want, okay? So that was all of my tips for you guys today. I hope this video wasn't too long. I don't know, I hope I edited it to make it like a little bit shorter. But this is all that I use for my hair, and it's so simple and so easy to use. You just have to love your hair and want it to grow, and it will grow. Just be patient, okay? Because the health of your hair matters first. If your hair is not healthy, no matter what you do, it's always gonna come out and not look right, you know? So make sure you treat yourself from the inside to grow your hair out. And then when it comes out on the outside, you have the outside things to treat it properly, okay? And also don't forget to drink your water. Water is not only good for your hair, but it's good for your health, okay? It's really good for your health. So just drink a lot of water. And you know, that's all the tips that I have for you ladies today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that I taught you something. I know there's a lot of videos that tells you the same thing, but I can contest to the fact that these actually help my hair to grow. And they really do work, and I hope you ladies have a good luck with this little journey. If you are on a relaxed journey, if you just relaxed your hair, or if you're thinking about relaxing your hair, there is ways to have healthy, relaxed hair, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video pretty soon. Bye.